Very good morning, dear smarts. Now I am going to explain future B forms, how to use in future tense the B forms. You know about B forms, am, is, are, present tense B forms, was, were, past tense B forms, will be, shall be. Future B forms, will be, shall be. It's the most important. So B forms we use directly am, is, are in present tense, was, were in past tense, will be, shall be in future tense. With B forms we use nouns, adjectives and V4 add in form to the base verb, and in a place also we use four types of here. Here in future B form will be, in addition to will be, we use profession to express your profession. I will be teacher in future. I will be an actor in future. What will you be next year? I will be a lawyer after 5 years. I will be a businessman after 5 years. Like we say, profession says. And also adjective. Will you be smart in next year? Yes, I will be smart. Will you be stout in next week? Will you be a six-pack holder after 2 years? Like is adjective. And V4. Will you be waiting for me tomorrow? Yes, I will be waiting for you tomorrow. 10 o'clock. And we use in this particular B forms users in future, of course, next week or tomorrow, after 10 days, next year, also we use because of express the future action. So guys, this is the table already you have seen in previous classes. Almost how to ask questions, how to ask the yes or no answer questions, and how to express your views as a positive and negative. For example, if anybody asks, what will you be next year? Now next year ఏం చేస్తావు ఏమవుతావు? I will be a teacher. What will you be after 5 years? I will be an engineer. I will be an engineer. Is a profession wide. And also here adjective. Alright. Adjective means for anyone asked, will she be so pretty in future? Will he be handsome next year? Yes, I will be. Stout, I will be lean. I will be smart. Slight. And if anybody asks, otherwise, will you be a doctor after 5 years? Will you be a doctor? No, I won't be a doctor. I will be a professor after 5 years. In the same way, we ask negative questions also. Don't we ask negative questions? For example, is there any conversation in between two friends? Won't you be waiting for me tomorrow in the morning? రేపు ఉదయం నా కోసం నువ్వు వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉండవా? ఐ విల్ బి వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. నేను నీ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. వోంట్ యూ బి వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ మీ? వోంట్ షీ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ అస్? Slide. So negative questions also we discuss. And what will she be? What will she be? Or where will she be? Waiting for me tomorrow. Where will she be? Waiting for me tomorrow. ఆమె రేపు నా కోసం ఎక్కడ వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది? Where will she be? Where will be your father waiting for me tomorrow? మీ నాన్నగారు నా కోసం ఎక్కడ వెయిట్ చేస్తుంటారు? ఆర్ where will you be waiting for me tomorrow? I will be waiting for you tomorrow at railway station at 10 o'clock. Will you be waiting for me tomorrow at 10 o'clock at railway station? Yes, I will be waiting for you tomorrow railway station 10 o'clock. Where will you be living after 10 years? Where will you be living after 10 years? 10 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత మీరు ఎక్కడ నివసిస్తూ ఉంటారు? 10 years తర్వాత ఎక్కడ నివసిస్తూ ఉంటారు? Where will you be? It's a place. We will be living in Hyderabad after 10 years. We will be living in Mumbai after 10 years. Or USA after 10 years. 10 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత మేము యూఎస్ఏలో ఉంటాము. Like, where will you be doing your job next year? Next year నీ జాబ్ ఎక్కడ చేస్తూ ఉంటావు? I will be doing my job in Karnataka or any other Hyderabad, Goa, it's like place. Will you be teaching? Will you be teaching in future? నువ్వు భవిష్యత్తులో టీచింగ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటావా? Yes, I will be teaching in future. So all this here means once observe closely. Profession, adjective, wherefore, in place means we use to express our profession with be forms and adjective. Adjective means it's a quality of the person, quality of the work, nature of the person, right? So wherefore, add ing to the base form, that is in a place. Will you be in Rajahmundry tomorrow at evening? Maybe evening you Rajahmundry lo untavu? Yes, I will be Rajahmundry tomorrow evening. No, I won't be. Here the negative won't be. Won't be. Won't be plus profession, adjective, so V4 in place. Profession, adjective, V4 in place. Won't be Rajahmundry tomorrow at evening? నువ్వు రేపు ఈవినింగ్ రాజమండ్రిలో ఉండవా? No, I won't be tomorrow at evening రాజమండ్రి. నేను రాజమండ్రిలో ఉండను. I will be in Kakinada tomorrow at evening. నేను కాకినాడలో ఉంటాను. Would you be playing cricket next Sunday by this time? Won't be playing cricket. Play the base verb ing. Playing. Won't you be playing cricket next Sunday? No, next Sunday cricket ఆడుతూ ఉండవా? No, I won't be playing cricket next Sunday. I will be any other. I will be writing examination next Sunday in Kakinada. I will be writing examination. సో ఐ విల్ బి రైటింగ్. నేను నెక్స్ట్ సండే కాకినాడలో ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తూ ఉంటాను at 4 o'clock. Like in all 4 stages we use the B forms. Here the B form is the main action word. Just only the B form here, B4 session only. B form is the helping word, helping verb. The remaining all B form the main verb, acts main verb, remaining all. So only B4. B form acts as a helping verb. Don't forget it. It's very, very important. Structure and practice well. I'll introduce another 2 forms also, the present tense form of B forms and past tense forms of B forms. The future is very, very important. Don't forget. Use sometimes next year, next day, after 10 years, after 2 years, after 2 hours, after 2 days. Then get perfect your conversations. Get practice well. Wish you good luck.